vlog. Got that outline for the greenhouse laid down, but I haven't done any hands-on work over the last day. Been mostly planning and researching. My papa is going to come over and give me a hand today to try and get the walls up, and fingers crossed, a start on the roof. I'm really excited. I am just about to go and pick up some more wood to give us the materials that we need to frame this all out, and then after that it's just putting on the windows, boop boop boop, and ideally I'll be able to catch a little bit of the sunshine that's left this week. We're expecting more snow, so that'll be a shift. Oh, what I also did yesterday was went to the store. I was doing some consignment runs, and I tend to like to reuse and find used stuff at thrift shops and that kind of thing. But since I was right next to Ace Hardware, I thought I'd go and pick up a gutter kind of extender, because we're going to collect a little bit of rainwater. I got a rain gauge, as well as, this is why it reminded me of where I went yesterday. I got a yardstick. That way I can see how much snow we get. I'm excited to start tracking those things, like the rainfall, the snowfall. Especially in Colorado, our arid and pretty dry climate. We gotta be conscious of how much is coming down and how much we need to supply and that kind of thing. So that's a little update. We're gonna get to work today. I'm excited to show you the process. This was such a good find. Awesome wood. I'm getting the last couple loads of the wood. I noticed that our succulents are coming back, and there's bees up in our tree.
See if this thing's level. I'm laying odds it is nowhere near level.
Why would it be, right?
But we'll make it level.
Exactly.
By making it. There's a level to your left there.
Where?
And if this comes out level right now, it's a miracle.
You put a bet on it? We eat your socks?
I'd say it's pretty level.
Cook and eat your boots? Oh my God!
Is it?
It's.
Is it?
It's pretty damn level. Or at least where it was being held.
It's close enough.
Cool.
Believe it.
That's amazing.
How amazing is it?
So amazing. We're finishing up day 2 of work and covered in sawdust. But we have a greenhouse. Over the next couple days, I'm just gonna seal her up with random bits of wood and facing to box it in, and then we'll put some corrugated plastic on the top for the roof and some drainage. It's gonna be work day 3. We did the bulk of our work yesterday, and I luckily had my lovely partner Alex and my pa who came over. My folks live pretty close, so he was able to come and give a little more expertise as we built. It was amazing. He's very crafty himself, so he brought some power tools, as you saw, and that's gonna make my job very easy today. Now that I'm kind of on my own, yeah, I'm gonna kind of try and make some walls. Use up the pallet wood that we have in our giant pile here, and I'll show you a little view around what we're starting with today. Then we'll just kind of jump in, set some wood aside, and get cutting and get nailing. All right, so here from our east side to the west, to the south. It's behind a giant cloud at the moment, but you can see that the sun kind of arcs just right that direction through the sky, and as the summer solstice, gets closer and closer, it's gonna rise up to nearly be like right overhead. So this is a perfect little place for our greenhouse to live. Alright, I've separated out a couple different options for kind of facing this greenhouse. I have a couple ideas in my head, and just like yesterday, it's gonna kind of be like hold it up, measure it with some a Sharpie, and then cut it to size and just kind of jigsaw it all together. Or later this season, I'm gonna probably give her a paint job. But since we're racing snow on its way down from the hills right now, I'm gonna just get some walls on. They're gonna look however they're gonna look, in all of their DIY perfection. Look at how nice that looks. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gotten real cold real fast. We just cleaned up, tarped the rest of the wood. I want to give you a little bit of a show around. Now some lower wall on this side, as well as our two kind of side walls to frame the front window. It is turning out really nicely. So tomorrow, roof, main thing, rest of the walls, and ideally we'll be able to figure out that door. It was just getting too cold, so we called it quits for day 3, 4, work day 3. Good morning. This is work day 4, I believe. It's a brisk morning. We're expecting anywhere from like 2 to 5 feet of snow here in Colorado over the weekend. It seems like maybe in our area it's gonna stay away most of the day tomorrow, but then just kind of dump down. Probably some of our tree branches will break, but hopefully not the roof that we build today. Pa is at the store right now, en route to here. He was kind enough to pick up some of the corrugated plastic for us and some extra 2x4s, that kind of thing, to help finish this up. Oh, I'm in not so great lighting here. Turn me around, find my light. As I was showing you yesterday, was able to get 2 of the walls kind of sealed in, door in progress, but that is definitely not as imperative as getting the roof on. With that snow coming, you know, we just want to keep the area dry. But once the sun comes back, you know, the greenhouse can do its work. And I'm super excited to get some seeds started this year. I've not been able to do them this early, ever, yeah. So it's a whole new experience. There'll be lots of experimentation, as it has already. I'm gonna get all the tools out. Got some woodpeckers. There's one kind of on the corner, and then another guy over on the right side. Just one of the woodpeckers just came right back onto the phone pole. I think I just heard my paw pull up, so let's get unloaded. Let's build a roof.
So it's basically 6. So yeah, every foot.
Yeah. I'm finishing up just a couple of things. Pa has left, and left his tools behind, so that over the next week or two, as I mentioned, we're expecting some snow, quite a bit of snow, and so I'm so proud and so stoked that we have a building, we have a greenhouse. It feels very surreal to be in here right now. Nearly 4 walls and a roof, and it's rather toasty. We have one resident already. A little ladybug has made its way in here, and I told them that they can stay as long as they wish, and I'm happy that they're here. And I think I'm actually going to be pulling in some plants from up on the porch into here so that they can just kind of, their soil can start warming up. And there's some strawberries that are already budding underneath kind of the the overgrowth from last year, so I need to clean that up. And having this building, I now get to do that. And I'm so excited. There's some temporary solutions in place at the moment. But what we were kind of focusing on is getting it structurally sound to hold the weight of potentially, 2+ feet of snow in the next couple days. And I may have a couple things that I'll put up in the rafters here. There's like some foam that inserts that go up into the corrugation, and it's turning out to be kind of a 200 or less project. We were able to reclaim, I'd say, I want to say like 80% of this is reclaimed. The screws even, my dad has just kind of collected through the years and used to work more actively, with furniture and building, and he's always been crafty and certainly passed that along to me. And I'm very grateful that he was able to not only help me out and give me some of his amazing wisdom, but also, give me a chance to use up some of his supply of hardware. It's pretty solid now. I just added a couple extra little supports behind the beams, and we have the roof on. I might add some more of those foamy things up into the roof, but like, this is a building. I got a greenhouse. I can plant so many things. All tucked away. For a bit at least. Thanks for watching this vlog. Have a wonderful day.